Good day class! Welcome ulit sa classroom ni SIRJAY. So this time pag-aaralan natin how to insert arithmetic means in an arithmetic sequence. So meron tayong tatlong example dito, A, B, C. Let's begin with the first one. So the problem is, insert two arithmetic means between 2 and 8. So AM stands for arithmetic means. And on this problem, 2 will serve as your first term, 8 will be your last term, and we're going to insert two arithmetic means. So let's answer it in separate paper. So again, based dun sa ating problem, ang unang term natin ay 2 at ang last term natin ay 8. Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng dalawang arithmetic means. So to illustrate our sequence, so ganito ang kanyang magiging forma. We have the two arithmetic means, and 8. Ngayon, sa paghahanap ng arithmetic means, hindi directly hinahanap ang means. So ano ang ating kailangan gawin? We're going to recall the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, kung paano tayo naghahanap ng term. So again, our formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So saan natin gagamitin yung formula na yan? Gagamitin natin yan para mahanap ang common difference or yung ating d. So ano naman yung ating mga gagamitin na values para dito sa ating mga terms sa formula? Yung a sub n natin, that will be the last term. A sub 1, the first term. And still the number of terms, 1 is constant. Then ito ang hahanapin natin. So we're going to substitute it directly sa ating formula. So again, a sub n is the last term equals a sub 1, the first term, plus and the number of terms. Ngayon, pag binilang natin ang number of terms, isasama natin yung hinahanap natin ng mga means. So in this example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 terms on that particular sequence, minus 1 times d. Now let's simplify. So copy 8 equals copy 2 plus, ito yung una nating isi-simplify, yung 4 minus 1, so magiging 3, and we have d. So by finding d, we should isolate this constant, kaya yung, variable, kaya yung constant na to, kailangan natin ilipat sa kabilang side ng equation. So by concept of transposition, we have 8 minus 2, kasi positive, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging negative. Equals, so natira na lang, we have 3d. Then let's simplify the left side. 8 minus 2, we have 6 equals 3d. Again, ang hinahanap natin ay d, yung ating common difference, so we need to eliminate 3 by dividing it by 3. So we're going to cancel 3. So matitira na lang dito ay d. And then sa left side, we have 6 divided by 3, we have 2. So by symmetric property, we can write d equals 2. Ngayon, alam na natin yung ating d, the common difference, which is 2. So mahahanap na natin kung ano yung mga numbers dito sa ating sequence, yung ating arithmetic means. Just simply add 2 plus 2, we have 4. And then 4 plus 2, we have 6. 6 plus 2, we have 8. So the arithmetic means that we're looking for is 4 and 6. Okay, now let's proceed to second example. So for letter B, we have insert 3 arithmetic means between negative 3 and 17. So ngayon, nadagdagan ng isa yung ating means. So naging 3. Gamit ulit tayo ng separate sheet ng bond paper. Again, let's illustrate our sequence. So, ang first term natin ay negative 3. Maglalagay tayo ng tatlong arithmetic means. And then, ang last term natin ay 17. Then, our formula. So, the last term for a sub n, we have 17. A sub 1, we have negative 3 plus, and let's count all the terms. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1 times d. So, again, let's simplify. We have 17 equals negative 3 plus 4d. So, we have 5 minus 1 is 4. Then, again, transpose negative 3. So, we have 17. Again, by concept of transposition, this is negative. Pag nilipat, magiging positive 3 equals 4d. So, we have 17 plus 3 is 20 equals 4d. Again, we're looking for d. We need to eliminate 4 simply by dividing both sides by 4. So, we're going to cancel 4. We have d. Then, on this side, we have 20 divided 4, we have 5. Again, by symmetric property, we can write d equals 5. So, again, nahanap na natin ang common difference. So, let's find what are the means. We have negative 3 plus 5. We have 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. And 12 plus 5, we have 17. So, the arithmetic means that we're looking for is 2, 7, and 12. Okay, for our last example, we're going to insert 5 arithmetic means between negative 1 and negative 19. So, dito, puro negative ang lalabas na numbers natin. So again, for example C, the first term of our sequence is negative 1. Then we're going to insert 5 arithmetic means. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last term is negative 19. Again, our formula. Now, let's substitute the given values. For a sub n, we have negative 19. For a sub 1, we have negative 1. Plus, we have n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1 times d. So, we have 19 equals negative 1 plus, we have 7 minus 1 is 6d. Again, we're going to transpose negative 1. We have negative 19 plus 1 equals 6d. We have negative 19 plus 1 is negative 18 equals 6d. Okay, we need to eliminate 6 divided by 6. So, cancel 6. We have d. And for this side, negative 18 divided 6 is negative 3. So, again, by symmetric property, we have d is equal to negative 3. And meron na tayong d. Again, let's find what are the means. Negative 1 plus negative 3, negative 4. Negative 4 plus negative 3, negative 7. Negative 7 plus negative 3, negative 10. Negative 10 plus negative 3, negative 13. Negative 13 plus negative 3 is negative 16. And negative 16 plus negative 3 is negative 19. So the arithmetic means that we're looking for is negative 4, negative 7, negative 10, negative 13, and negative 16. So I hope may natutunan tayo sa lesson na to. Thank you for watching.